Hey, champs. It's time to kick off your day with a burst of motivation. You've got dreams, goals, and a whole world of potential waiting for you. So get up and get it done. Imagine your goals as this giant mountain. Yeah, it might look intimidating, but remember, even mountains are climbed one step at a time. Your journey starts with that first step out of bed. Life's not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Challenges will come your way, but each one is just a stepping stone to your success. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day. It took small, consistent efforts. So grab your tools, passion, dedication, and a positive attitude, and start building your empire today. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Don't let it sneak up on you. Break your tasks into bite-sized pieces. Tackle them one by one, and before you know it, you'll have conquered that to-do list. Failure is not the end. It's a lesson. Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb on his first try. He said, "I haven't failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." So if things don't go as planned, adjust your sails and try again. Surround yourself with those who lift you higher. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Positivity is contagious, and a supportive team can turn challenges into triumphs. Celebrate your victories, big or small. Every win is a step forward. It's not just about the destination, it's about appreciating the journey. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. None of us is an island. We all need a hand at times. Don't be afraid to seek guidance or support. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Your time is now. The only limit that exists is the one you place on yourself. So, break free from self-doubt and soar to new heights. In this journey called life, you're the captain of your ship. Navigate through challenges, adjust your sails, and keep steering towards your dreams. So, get up, take charge, and get it done. You've got this. The world is waiting for the awesome person you're becoming. Go out there and conquer your day.